any academic document, and that is plagiarism. Hello and welcome to our channel of Global Assignment Help. This video guides you through the different types of plagiarism and strategies for preventing plagiarism. In layman's terms, plagiarism is an act of presenting someone else's work as your own without their consent. Plagiarism covers a single definition for any academic document, like a thesis, dissertation, assignment, or essay. Let's understand in the upcoming slide the impact of putting plagiarized content. Plagiarism puts a negative impression on the professor and destroys the student's reputation. A scholar's professional image can also be at stake. When plagiarism gets detected, it not only imposes academic penalties on them but puts a stamp on copying others' work. An academic task represents your hard work, and showing it to the recruiter with plagiarism destroys your professional image. Let's move ahead to understand plagiarism types. Pointers displayed in this slide represent different types of plagiarism. The next slide describes each of them in detail and puts forward approaches to deal with plagiarism that give a student an idea of how to avoid them in the future. Global plagiarism is submitting an exact piece that someone wrote or copying and pasting information found online. Now that you are well versed with what exactly global plagiarism means, do not copy-paste someone's entire work because an editor or a writer can find it out. Also, it will have an impact on your academic career. Paraphrasing plagiarism means rewriting the same sentences differently. In such writings, the write-up becomes distinct, but the thought process remains identical. Paraphrasing reduces the quality of your document. It is always best to apply some critical thinking in your work. Brainstorming and researching allow you to write any long piece of content. Using someone else's idea, on the other hand, prevents you from writing in flow. Including information or content in your document without quotation or citation results in verbatim plagiarism. This type of plagiarism occurs when you use some portion of your work for your own. Citing sources will help you to evade such errors. One point to note here is that even the ordinary statement or knowledge needs proper citation if it is in the author's words. Taking up bits and pieces of information to form content is known as mosaic plagiarism. It is common to open the sources and frame your paper by seeking help from distinct platforms. Taking assistance is not wrong, but not giving acknowledgement to the concerned authority is unethical. Reusing your existing work for a future research paper or document is an act of self-plagiarism. Students sometimes rewrite their content, which is a corrupt practice. However, self-plagiarism is less unfair than direct plagiarism. But as a student, you will never grow or see progress until and unless you bring exclusive arguments in your document. Unintentionally using similar words or phrases makes a particular piece of information fall in the category of accidental plagiarism. Coming under the category of any plagiarism type is insulting, be it accidental plagiarism. So, make sure to be on the safe end and rectify for plagiarism as you do